She thought it was just a hallway, until the typewriter began to write her fate. Inside, an old typewriter waited. On the page, her name, a warning whispered, "If the name is yours, the story is too." A spotlight snapped on. Her shadow stood apart, alive. It copied her, but with a delay. A new door appeared behind it, Whisper's own voice, repeating buried thoughts. The handle turned by itself. A chamber of shattered mirrors. Each reflection showed her at a different age, hollow-eyed, moving without sound. One pressed against the glass, and the mirrors began to bleed through. The final page rolled in. The story ends when she accepts her other self. Her shadow stepped forward, hand outstretched. She had to choose, reject it and remain, or take it and rewrite her fate.